Imagine getting paid for working, for just working. No investment, no stress. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the Sweatcoin app works, how to earn from your daily steps, and how real the payments are in 2025. If you love fitness and free money, watch till the end because I will show you a few secret tricks to increase your Sweatcoin earnings fast. Let's go. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Celine. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notifications so that whenever I make this kind of upload, there are more the people that will receive it, that will get notified. So if you have Sweatcoin on your app before, please go and uninstall it and install it again using this method I'm going to show you right now. All right, so for you to get started on this Sweatcoin, you need to get a VPN, whether paid or free one. Turn it to USA server. All right, once you turn it, then come to my link, click the link. It will take you to Play Store or your this thing Apple Store. Then you download this Sweatcoin. Make sure that your VPN is on. Oh, very, very important. Make sure that it's on. Then after downloading it, you sign in with your Google account. Then it will take you to the interface like this. Okay, so once you come like this, if you download it and your own is not showing like this, know that you didn't get it right. Okay, it must show you something like this. Something like this you're seeing on my screen right now to show you some things like this. Okay, you know that you are on the right track. All right, once you come here, you can put your profile picture if you like. As you can see, I put my own profile picture. So this is my day two. As you can see, I've completed my goal today. There are two ways. In fact, it's not even two ways, three ways to earn on this app. Number one is by referral. Yeah, you can refer people and earn on this app. Once you refer people, you will get 100 sweat coins from invitation. There are some, they are giving them 500 sweat coin for invitation. And once you have up to 1,500 sweat coin, you can place your withdrawal with maybe gift card. Yeah, with a gift card, you can place your withdrawal. 1,500 sweat coin, you can get $5. All right. So, and if you don't have people that you can refer, then what you need to do, you do workout. Okay, you can walk anywhere you're going to buy something, you're going to the market, anywhere you're going, just turn on your VPN, you turn on your data, then you walk with your phone. As you're walking, your steps is counting. As you can see, my goal today was to achieve 3,400 or 3,300 goal, and I achieved it. All right, so you can even work more than this. Yeah, before today and I'll also work again. All right, so you can work. Once you're working, your steps is being calculated, and once you reach the maximum goal they require, you will be credited. As you can see, I have 364 sweat coin here. I just started. All right, that is it. So if you tap on earn here, you will see a lot of ways that you can also earn. These are a lot of ways that you can earn here. Okay, just go through it and see the ones that you can do. If you don't want to earn from here, you can come to social here. Yes, once you come to social here, as you can see, I've joined this challenge now. Yes, this challenge now is for me to download press house news. Then I need to work, get work, have some 5,000 steps goal from now till 13 days. As you can see, my goal, I've worked 2,020 steps. So I am in the top 16 of this challenge. I need to work hard before 14 days. Let me reach my goal. All right. So that's it. Just check out. These are the offers. You get 30 reward sweat coin, and also you can get $500 when you meet up with the challenge on this one. Okay, so you can also, this one is the reward. Okay, as you can see, win gift cards, sweat coins, and more when you have up to 2,000 up to 2,000 steps. Okay, here now I've gotten 1,400 and something steps here. I don't know, they said I can unlock it by watching video. I went and tap it, and oh my god, is my mistake. So don't make such mistake. Once you come here now and see that, and see your goal here, maybe here now I was having 1004 something. Having 1004 something over 2000 here, and I went and create that unlock now by watching ad, and bam, everything wipe away. So don't make that mistake. Once you have worked, okay, leave it, work more till you reach this 2000 step, then you'll be able to get 1000 sweat coin, and you can get any of these. You can win any of these, either $5 gift card, $10 gift card, or $20 gift card. All right, so that's it. The withdrawal method is through gift card or through PayPal. All right. So if you want to earn on only referral is here, you can tap here. Get invite people is here. As you can see, I've invited 3 people. Yeah, I've invited 3 people. Once I invite, I will get 100 sweat coins. So that is how to earn on sweat coin this 2025. Stop sleeping, stop dulling. Go and re-download Sweatcoin now and start earning massively. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are the type that love fitness, you are not going to be only doing your workout in vain. You'll be working out and be earning. So what are you waiting for? Stand up, babe. See this one too. You can also try this challenge. This one now is that 5,000 step. Yeah, and you'll be rewarded with 100 sweat coins. So there are a lot of ways you can earn money here. Just walk around the app. You will see a lot of ways to earn money. Okay, that's all for now. See you all in my next one. Once I make my withdrawal, I'll also make a video to show you guys my withdrawal proof.